What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Croft here. Today guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of a monitor that I just got today. This is a TUF gaming, an Asus TUF gaming VG32V. This is a 32-inch screen and is a curved one. I'm going now to do a close-up to the box, and basically you will just be listening some nice music on the background while I'm going to unbox, because I will not be just talking over. I would like to focus more into the unboxing itself. You guys see me many times, you don't need to see me again. You want to see is the monitor. So let's do a close-up.
You're quick to change your mind, and I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back to life. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my life.
Okay guys, so this is already 4 days after I unboxed this monitor over here that you guys have seen just a few minutes ago. Now I'm just testing this game because this game actually has really nice colors, and I thought that would be the best choice for me to try. And anyway, this is a game that I'm playing on the PC because most of my games, they are on the PlayStation 4. So I thought that would be a good idea to try this one, and the one that you are seeing, that is the Tomb Raider, because I have it for the computer and as well for the PlayStation. But just wanted to try for you guys to see as well, like how quick and responsive like the screen it is. Like as you can see, like when rotating, and when getting a little bit closer, for you to see how rich the colors are. Because the one, well, I will probably, you guys will not have the same perspective, well, the perception, I would say, between this one here and that one here that is 180p, but this, it has the natural colors, and that the natural color, the colors of the monitor itself. These ones, they look a little bit more yellowish. But anyway, this is a 180p monitor and totally different than this one. Is a good monitor as well, but honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality of this one here. This is my first curved monitor, and what I have to say about the curved monitors, they are great. Because when I'm sitting from this perspective over here, that is when I'm doing my gaming, it's really pleasant. I know that when looking to through the camera that I'm actually looking at the moment while filming this video, it's not the same. The colors, they are much more richer, and of course the view field, it's really nice. It's really nice. For example, over here I have my Mac that is a Retina, and of course the colors, they are much more richer because it's Retina, and that one is not Retina. But when looking to both of them, to be honest, it looks so similar. Even that one is not a Retina. Even for this perspective over here, you have still a good view of, like, even if you are playing, of course you will not be playing on the side of the monitor, but it's always good to have a good view, no matter like what or how you move. Even if you move from one of the sides or to the other side, you would like to always have a really good view and quality. But yeah guys, so this is the video that I wanted to share with you. That was just a quick video. It's not a comparison between like the monitors that I have here. This is just about this one here, the Asus, and honestly, I'm really impressed, and I totally recommend for this price. Of course you pay for the price. This is a 32-inch, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Guys, if you have any comments, please leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to know about the monitor. I will leave the link on the description below that you guys can access, and you can check it out from the Asus website. Any questions, please leave a comment. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!